Lock your Facebook app before someone checks your phone. Most people don't know this simply amazing app. So friends, make sure you are logged into the Play Store and then go ahead and search for this app in the Play Store and install it. AppLock Pro, AppLock, and Guard. This is a tool that helps you protect your apps with a password, pattern, or fingerprint, keeping your data safe and private. Now friends, the real fun begins. Open the app after installation. Tap Get Started below. Set a strong password. For example, I'm just going to add a simple password for now. Next, tap Create. Now for verification, enter the password again and then save it. From here, friends, you can also add your biometric for extra security. To do this, just tap the Enable Biometric Unlock button. It's really simple. For now, I'm going to select the option below. If this message pops up on your screen, just continue and allow it. Then let's tap Let's Get Started. Here, make sure this toggle is enabled. Now let's continue. Whenever the app asks for permissions, only give the ones that are necessary. No need to allow extra permissions. Now friends, in this unlocked option, all the apps are unlocked for now. You can lock them if you want, but as in this video, I'm going to show you how to lock the Facebook app. So Facebook app is already locked and you can check it in the locked option. So this is how you can lock your Facebook app. But if you want to know how to lock the Facebook app without using any app, then comment below.